Hello everyone, my name is Jugnucharya and welcome to my YouTube channel JC Coder. Today we're gonna see the environment setup for coding in C++. And as I have told in the previous video that I will set up the environment for all three platforms, that is Linux, Windows and mobile platform. So those who don't have any laptop or any desktop computer, so they can code in mobile also. So I will tell the mobile platform also. Now starting with Linux platform. In the Linux platform, the environment setup is quite easy as everything is predefined. You can use the timeline given in the description so that you can move into the video part for your respective platform. Starting with the Linux platform. Now we are in the Linux desktop, as you can see. Now most of you thinking that what Linux version is this? So this is basically my own customized version of Linux Mint, which is Ubuntu based. Now here I have customized it for my own convenience. As you can see, I have used corner gestures for recent tabs and many other things, as these num lock and caps lock button in the taskbar and the barcode maker, and for my convenience. So if you want the customization process of this, so let me know in the comment. I will post it. Now here everything is done in the terminal. Basically we can understand terminal as an CUI operating system, that is a character user interface operating system. So by using this we can complete our most of the tasks. Now for coding we need an editor. There are some well-known editors such as Nano. It is the very base level editor and come across all the distros of Linux operating system. Then there is Kate. We have to install it. Then there is a Vim. Vim is very good editor, I prefer it. Vim stands for Visual Improved. Then there is Genie. Genie is also a good editor. Now you can search about this editor by typing man nano, and man means manual, so you can read out these manual for understanding the editor, also how this work. For Vim it is very useful. Yeah, Vim is very different editor. Similarly you can search manual for Kate. Kate is also very good editor, and it's an advanced editor, and it's mainly used in C++, so you can use it also. So now first of all we will try with the base editor, that is Nano. So first of all you have to type just a editor name and a file name that we want to create. Now here in this case we will create a file name as new.cpp. Now let's find out some good name. New program.cpp. Okay, then just hit enter. Now we are in the Nano editor. Now here we can write that program. So today we will see the basic syntax of C++. So here first of all you have to write has include iostream. So here we are including the iostream header file, which contains some basic inbuilt functions that we will use to print and input. iostream means input output stream, and using namespace std is very compulsory, and we will see the namespace in detail in our upcoming videos. Now here I have used cout. Now what is the, it is not count, remember, it is cout. So basically cout means console out. So now here I have typed hello world, welcome to my channel JC Coder, and now here /n is used as a new line character which will print into new line. Now we have to save the code, so we have to write out. So we will press Ctrl over here and save the name as new program.cpp and hit enter. And for exiting the Nano we have to just print out enter the Ctrl X. Now we are back into the terminal. Now let me make it bigger. So now for compiling the program we can use G++ or C++. It is a command, or we can say that we are using compiler name. So here I will prefer C++. Both are same, you can use anyone. So we have to write C++ space or file name. So here in the case new program.cpp, and just we have to hit enter. Now it will compile the whole code, and if nothing is print out, then our code is compiled successfully. Now you have to now enter ./a.out. Remember it. Now here ./ is used as a for running any shell file, or we can say that executable file. Now here a.out is formed as an executable file by the compiler. So now we are printing or running ./a.out. As you can see, now hello world, welcome to my channel JC Coder is printed. Now let us again edit our file and edit this time with some error. So nano new program.cpp, hit enter. Now here we will edit so that the compiler should give error. So I erased u, save it, exit. Now we will compile it again. So here as you can see, it is printing errors that you have string namespace std. So hold the error, or we can say that the analysis of our code is printed here. Now we can edit it with the front editor. Now using kate new program.cpp, hit enter. Now here kate will be open. Now kate is the graphical user interface IDE, or we can say that editor. So now we have erased the u, so now entering u there in the using. Now here as it is the GUI interface, so we will use Ctrl S for saving. Now pressing Ctrl S, now it is saved. Now here we will compile it using C++. Now let us use G++, so you can be clear that both are same. So compile successfully as nothing is printed. Now we will use ./a.out. Now here the file is executed perfectly. Now clear it. So that's it. So for just compiling we have to use G++ or C++ simply with the file name and editor. Now here we have also VS Code editor. I have not discussed it here as we will be discussing it in the Windows platform, but you can install it on the Linux systems also, as I have installed it, as you can see in the screen. Now we will talk about VS Code. So let's get into Windows platform. Now we are in the Windows platform. Now first of all, here our internet should be connected. So there should be working internet, as you can see in the screen, that is connected. Now open your browser and just type VS Code and search it. Hit enter and just click the first link. Now here you have to hover over the user installer, and according to your operating system requirements, that is 32-bit or 64-bit, you have to click on that. As I have 64-bit operating system, so I will go for 64-bit user installer. Now it's been downloading. So after downloading we have to open the exe file. Now simple user installer process, just click on next and next. Here mark check on create a desktop icon and just click next. Click on install and your installing will be processed. Now just click the finish button to launch the VS Code. Now here we have to set up it for coding in C++. Now that is the main task here. After that we are ready to code. Now for that we will create new file. Now Ctrl S for saving. Name it j.cpp. Has include iostream using namespace std int main. Now cout hello. Now for checking a program is right or not, we need a compiler to compile it. So here we don't have any compiler now. So now creating a new terminal. In this terminal the output and everything will be printed here. Now click on this left app icon. Then here you have to search C++. Now click on this install icon in this C++. So basically it is a debugger and a parser. Now when we will write program, then it will parse some keyword and literal to us, so we can write program more efficiently. As you can see, now I will open the file. Now here this debugger is downloading in the VS Code, as you can see in the bottom right corner. So after it is downloaded, now you can test it. So it's just done. Okay, now we can test it. Now if we reach the first line, that is has include ice stream, now it will pass the value. As you can see, it is passing IO stream. All this will be here visible, so we can write code more efficiently, as this namespace is also there, std. Also we will see out, it is there, so it is passing all the values, so that we can write our code fast and efficiently. Now here we need a runner, so that by one click we can run our program. So we will type here code runner, and as you can see, it is run C++ files and many others. So just click install, and it's just installed. Now let's check it. Now as you can see, this icon is come here. Now by clicking this icon we can run our code. Before this icon was not there, so I have clicked on. Now you can see hello is printed here. So by just one this button we can compile our code and run our code, so we can work fast and by just one click. Now there are many extensions like Python and Pylase that we can use for different languages. So by using this extension, also there is one extension for HTML for creating a live server. So these are very useful things in the VS Code. That's why the VS Code is very popular and the most used editor in the world. Now that's it for the Windows platform. Now coming to the mobile platform. Now open the Play Store in your mobile. Now then type cpp droid, and this app will come on your screen. Then just install this app, and I'm telling you that this app is very useful, as I'm using from years, and it is offline and it works perfect for any program. I also use it very frequently, as I have to do any program testing, or I have to just test a simple program that I have thought in my mind. Just I run here and test it. So it is very useful in this way. You have to don't go into the computer and just and waiting for it to start and so on. So now it is installed. Now here some files will be downloaded here, and these are all programs, additional programs that you can use for coding, like Fibonacci series, Armstrong number, etc. There are many programs in this pre-installed. Now after this we will code in this. Just wait. Now here we will code here. Now simply we can code here, as include IO string. Now using namespace std stands for standard. Okay, then int main, then you have to put the brackets. Now curly bracket. Now see out hello. Just wait a second. Okay. Oh man. Now we will touch the flash icon. Now the compilation is finished. All the diagnostics and analysis will be there in that section. Now we will click on play button. Now here our code is executed. Now it is offline, as I have told. Now there are some pre-built programs in that. We can go on project, open from device. Then there are some programs that are pre-installed with this app. Now I will open Fibonacci series, fibonacci series.cpp. Now here is the program, as you can see.
Now simply we can edit and use this program and understand the program. Now I have compiled it by clicking on the flash button. Now compilation is finished. Now touching on play button, here the program is executed. Now I have entered 5, so till 5 the Fibonacci number series is printed. Now I will enter 50, so till 50 the Fibonacci series will be printed, as you can see in the screen. So it works pretty well. So that's it for mobile platform. So thank you for watching my video, and please, if you like the video, do subscribe and do share with your friends. Thank you.